Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between Google Veo 3 and OpenAI Sora. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Google just released a big bomb, the new Veo 3 AI video generator. How amazing is it? Let's compare it with OpenAI Sora using the official sample videos. Google Veo 3 and OpenAI Sora are both cutting-edge AI video generators, but they serve slightly different strengths. Veo 3 excels in cinematic quality, offering fine control over camera angles, scene composition, and visual effects ideal for filmmakers and creatives seeking realism. Sora, developed by OpenAI, focuses on generating coherent, dynamic scenes from text prompts with strong reasoning and world modeling capabilities. While Sora may lag slightly in visual polish compared to Veo 3, it outperforms in logic-driven scene generation. Ultimately, Veo 3 leads in visual fidelity, while Sora stands out in narrative consistency and prompt understanding. What's the difference? The new Veo 3 model supports 4K output, sound effects, ambient noise, and dialogue, while OpenAI Sora only supports up to 1080p resolution, no sound and audio. Almost beats Sora in every aspect. So how to access Veo 3? For now, you may use it in Flow as well as in Gemini, also a new AI video editing tool released by Google. Once you enter Flow, click on New Project. The default model is Veo 2, so you need to change the settings to highest quality. That's the new Veo 3 model. And then you can start creating. According to Google, you can add ingredients to the video, generate new clips using the Jump to button. If you are not satisfied with some clip, you can even trim the clip and extend it to get a new one and eventually complete a full video. But one thing to note is that it requires Google AI Ultra membership, which is around $125 to use the new feature with Gemini 2.5 Pro and YouTube Premium, cheaper than ChatBeat Pro's $200. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.